to the rusty buckets.
Well, we got a lot accomplished, but not everything. You're gonna have to order a couple parts and do some research on all the other things that I don't know. So, we're getting there. All right, well, I'm about to go ahead and drill where some of the relays are supposed to go. The only problem I'm having is figuring this bad guy out. So, let's go ahead and get those in. Some of the things you didn't see, just kind of started cleaning up some of the wiring and figuring out which ones we're gonna have to go ahead and cut and lengthen out. So we'll get some of this other footage up, and thanks for watching.
Bye.